This is the latest project that I just did. It's called an R22 De-Icer subway work car. Or should I say, work train subway car. It's an R22. So, I built this yesterday. So, these are scratch built styrene that I just made. Did I ever kid bash it? So the roof section came from an undecorated RDC. These pieces came from a Santa Fe GP38-2 and the corrugated grill came from an undecorated GP50. So this is my latest project. This is see what it turned out to be. So it's pretty fun to build and true kid bashing projects that I ever do. So here's the shell. Got all the details such as headlights and ditch lights and all that stuff. It's gonna be the road number is RD344. I think Staten Island Railway has one of these in Staten Island. So anyway, this is now my project is almost finishing, so this is the custom built styrene base. This is the frame base chassis that I just made. I sandwiched it together with styrene with, I don't know, you could see or whatever. Yeah, it's got a corrugated on the side. So actually I put some weight to it. And this came from an lifelike F40PH frame. So the fuel tanks that I stacked them together and glued them in. So, and these trucks came from Bachman double decker coach car. So hopefully when this project's done, I'm gonna get soon to be painted. Thanks for watching.